আজকে আমার এই নতুন ইংরেজি ক্লাসে সকলকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। আজকে আমি তোমাদের জন্য একটা সুন্দর স্পোকেনের ভিডিও করতে চলেছি। এই ভিডিওটি হচ্ছে তাদের জন্য যারা ইংরেজি খুব সুন্দর পড়তে পারে, লিখতে পারে, কিন্তু বলার জন্য তাদের একটু সমস্যা থেকে যায়। তাদের যাতে করে এই বলতে অসুবিধা না হয় তার জন্যই আমার এই প্রচেষ্টা। আশা করছি এই ভিডিওটি দেখলে তোমরা অনেকেই এই ভিডিও থেকে উপকৃত হবে এবং তোমরাও চেষ্টা করবে পরবর্তীকালে যে কীভাবে আমরা ইংরেজি বলতে পারবো। কারণ আমি দেখেছি, অনেকের সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করেছি, তারা সত্যি করে খুব ভালো স্টুডেন্টস, তারা ইংরেজি বলতে পারে না কিন্তু লিখতে পারে, কিন্তু পড়তেও পারে এবং তারা সুন্দর মার্কস অর্জন করে পরীক্ষায়, কিন্তু যখন তারা বলতে যায় তখন তাদের মনে একটা ভয় থেকে যায়। এই ইংরেজি সত্যি খুব কঠিন, বলাটা সত্যি খুব কঠিন। কিন্তু আজকে আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো কত সহজ স্টেপ, কত সহজ পদ্ধতি ব্যবহার করে এই ইংরেজিতে ইমপ্রুভ করা যায়। একদম বাংলা ভাষাকে না রেখে সরাসরি ইংলিশকে কীভাবে ইউজ করা যায়। যাই হোক, চলো আর দেরি না করে শুরু করি আজকে স্পোকেন ক্লাস। আরেকটা রিকোয়েস্ট, যদি ভিডিওটি দেখার শেষে তোমার মনে হয় না ভিডিওটি সত্যি হেল্পফুল, তাহলে একটু বন্ধুদেরকে শেয়ার করিও এবং একটা লাইক করিও, যাতে করে এই ধরনের ভিডিও আমি করতে আগ্রহী হই। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। Today all of you are very good afternoon, and all of you are also welcome to my spoken classes. Now today I am going to discuss some very important topics, how to improve your spoken English in easy step. So all of you please listen to me with attentively. Now all of you are very good. All of you are obtain a lot of marks in your examination hall. You could write English, you could read English, but when you are starting to practice English or when you are starting to telling English, there is some problem. Please first all of you remember, whatever I am telling you, it has to be practice. Unless we practice, you can never learn. You are never be able to speak your language. First word that all of you are thinking in your mind, if I am telling some spoken English, there will be some friends, if there will be some mistake, some friends will laugh at my English. But I will tell you, there is no big deal in that. What is the reason? Because you are thinking just like a English boy who was born in England or English speaking countries, but that boy doesn't know Bengali, that boy doesn't know Hindi, that boy doesn't know any other language without English. So similarly, we are born here in India, in West Bengal, so our mother tongue is Bengali. We do not know English. There is no big deal in that. All of us are scared. I am also scared because my mother tongue is not English. My mother tongue is Bengali. So the first step when you want to improve your spoken English, you are mixing, you are using the two languages. First your Bengali language and also the next or second your English language. First times you have to speak some English language and some Bengali language. That is not problem, but continuously if you are practicing, you will see that sometimes later your English is becoming more and your Bengali will far away. So please, you have to remember, practice is the real building. If a building cannot get practice, the buildings will fall down. If the foundation of the building is not real or great, the building will fall down. Just similarity. Please first time remember, as long as they can understand you, as long as they can respond to you, that means your English is well. But all of you, we are speaking our own version. That is not good. We are unable to learn the local English. We are unable to learn the standard English. We are learning the local English, which is not so good. So learn standard Indian English. Indian English is recognized all over the world. There is no problem. I have seen many good English teacher. I have seen many good English student who are highly qualified. They speak very stylish, but their every sentence will be wrong because they are not practicing. They are not willing to practice. They speak very stylish, but they are not practice. So I have seen also a lot of students who always scared of grammar, English grammar. I will tell you, grammar books are very good, but you are not a child. You are in this time, you are so grown up, but you are learning grammar from your real life. That means contents. Contents means situation, real life situation. Grammar books are very good, but it is not for you. It is for children. You have to learn the grammar from your real life. Why? Because when you are going to the road, suppose you are going to the road, one friends meet you, and then will never say, hello, my friends, how are you? Please tell me what is a noun. Please tell me what is a verb. No, where in the world they will ask you the grammatical rules. But when you will give the reply, you will give the answer, you have to use the grammar properly. You have to use the vocabulary properly. You have to use the noun, you have to use preposition, you have to use verb, you have to use adjectives, so many part of speech. But in this cause, you are so grown up, you are not a child. So you have to learn the real grammar from your real life. So first times, beginners level, you will tell the simple English. First time you have to ask your friends, please tell me what is your name, and also your friends will ask you, please tell me what is your name. You will tell the conversation with your friends. Suppose you will say, sir, I have no friend. That is not problem. If you have no friend, you have a good mobile, you have a good computer, that means you have to use it. This age, so many technology. This age is digital. This age is not a manual. You have any problem, you have to use your mobile and learn the good standard Indian English. You have to search it a lot of YouTube, so many YouTube channels, so many others. You have to follow it. But if you don't practice, you will never to learn. So I am telling some tips. That tips are only you are fluently in spoken English. That tips are not the literary writing. Please telling. I am not suggesting the grammar will not come. I am suggesting grammar will necessary, but first you have to approach. First you have to learn the fluently in speaking spoken English. Then the grammar it automatically comes to your heads. But there is only one word. When you are want to improve your spoken English, you will remove your mother tongue far away first times. You will see the next times your English will be improved. But if you want to practice in a week or once a week, once a month, once a year, that is not improvement at all. You must practice, you have must to practice, you have to practice every day. That is good, that is very good. So all of you are, again, thank you so much for listening your videos. I hope you are great success from my videos. Thank you.